baby duck in it, I think.
Is it?
Yeah,
A duck, yeah?
I'm not sure.
It's really chubby. It's really cute.
Baby shark there, it's lost.
Oh. There's some more. Take that. Wait, in here. In there. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. It's okay. Everything's okay. Yeah. Well, step one is to just find somewhere cool and put them down. I can't. You got the hang of the water again, didn't you? Oh, Georgy, you have fucking smashed it today. As a team, I think we've done incredibly well. Are you being brave? Oh, look at him go. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. I hope you have a wonderful life, and I hope someone looks after you, and I'll be back to check on you later, okay? But it's nice and cool down there, okay? There you go, get rid of that. Oh, Emma, he's the cutest thing. He's loving it. I gotta go back to work now, my love. But, cool you down. There you go. And I'll see you later. Bye, Georgy.